Are you logged out of TikTok randomly on your iPhone? This can happen due to app glitches and security settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok randomly locked you out issue on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset TikTok password. First, open up the TikTok app. Then, tap on the profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy from below. Now, tap on the account. Next, tap Password. TikTok will send a 6-digit code to verify. Then enter the code here. Now create a new password. Make sure the password is very strong. Make sure your password must have minimum 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number, and 1 special character. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Solution 3. Check your software updates. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see that software updates are available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And this is how you can fix the TikTok randomly logged you out issue on your iPhone easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. See ya.